Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the power of compound interest. The power of compound interest we learn in simple English. In a world, the richest man says, the eighth wonder of the world, it is a compound interest. The compound interest make you rich and richer very fast. Of course, the compound interest will make you rich and richer. So who those are interested to learn about how your money will getting double, how when your money will become double, how we become rich. If you want to know the details in simple English, just continue this audio. So I will teach you in a simple method. Of course, it is a very simple. Most of the people know about it, the detail, the compound interest. So we have to know when our money will be getting double. You just invested in $1,000, it will become more than $1,000,000 over a period. But we will just see the calculation about small interest rate. Just look at in the calculator and continue the audio. I will open for you the calculator, just show you how your money will be getting double. For example, if you are invested in a 6% of interest rate, when your money will be getting double, use the rule 72. The rule 72 is the basic rule. When your money will be getting double, just type 72, divide your interest rate. For example, we will calculate in a 6%. 6% interest rate. 6% interest rate mean you will getting in a 12 years. 12 years your money will be getting double. So if you are invested in $1,000 in a 6% interest rate, your money 12 years will be getting double. 12 year it's become a $2,000. First 12 years it's become a $2,000. Next 12 year it become a $4,000. Next 12 years it become a $8,000. Another 12 years it's become a $16,000. When your money just 6% of interest rate in the 48 years, it's become a $16,000. Of course, we cannot wait in over 48 years, right? So we look at in a just little bit of higher interest rate. For example, if you are invested money in a 8% of rate, so how do we calculate? 72 divide 8. So 9 years your money will be getting double. 9 years your money will be getting double. In 6% you will getting in 12 years. It is so bigger. So if you are invested in money 8% of interest rate, your money will be getting double in 9 years. So we calculated in 9 years. 9 years your money will be getting 1,000 become 2,000. Then 18 years it's become 4,000. Next double become 8,000. Next double become 16,000. Just 36 years your money just $1,000 it's become a $16,000. If you are invested in a 6% interest rate, your money will be 36 years just $8,000. If you invested in 8% of rate, your money will be getting 16,000. So when your interest rate is so higher, your money will be increasing so fast. For example, if you are invested money 6% of interest rate, you getting 12 year your money will be getting double. Let's see another example. If you are invested your money 6.2%, your money will be getting 11 years, 11.61 years will become double. We see in another example, simple example. We deposit our money 6.5 percentage. You will getting 11 years. If you are invested in money 6 percentage, you are getting 12 years. You are invested money in 6.5 percentage, you will get 11 years. You can save one year. The calculation, your money invested, how much percentage of interest? For example, we put the calculation is a 15%. It is so bigger. Also, we just calculated. Just 4.8 years, your money will be getting double. Let's compare. It's become 5 years. 5 years, your money will be getting 2,000. Next 5 years become 4,000. Third 5 years become 8,000. Another 5 years become 16,000. It will 4 double getting 16,000. Just 20 years, your money will be getting 16,000. So when you are invested your money, you just look it on your interest rate. If your interest rate percentage is so higher, then only your compound interest formula will be work for you very easy method. So even your interest is so less, you will getting less money when you are getting the compound interest rate. So next time, if you are going to invest on your money, just look it on the interest rate, how much when your money will be getting double. This calculation, it is very simple and it's very important. When your interest rate become higher, your money will be getting double very soon, and that money again double it's so very soon. You will getting more and more money within a short period of time. Just we see the result so far before. 6 percentage, you will getting 12 years to double. 8 percentage, you will getting 9 years to double. If you are invested money in a 6.5 percentage, your money will be getting double in a 11 years. If you are invested money in a 15 percentage of manner, you will getting just 5 years. Just 5 years. If you are invested money in a 15%, just a 5 years. So same that the calculated way, the compound interest make you rich and richer. I think this information, maybe it's useful for you. If it is useful, just subscribe.